Welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a while, yada yada yada, since I put a video up here on my channel, doing videos like crazy. Make sure you're checking out my weekly videos, my Let's Give It a Try videos, Blackstone, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But here we are on the back porch. Just got back home from a Texas hunting and filming trip, and look what I have right here, some Blackstone aprons. These are the coveted aprons, the ones that we would give away in the past to some of the VIPs at some of our demos and my appearances. And as I travel the country filming alone this year, or with family members with the Blackstone Griddle More van, I hook up some people with these aprons. Gave away some in Texas to some Blackstone griddlers, some fans as well. So these are pretty cool. Blackstone denim apron right there. They are adjustable, so whether you are 6'3" or 5'8" like me, they'll fit you perfect. They have 2 pockets, and of course these come with the limited edition Blackstone 2020 Griddle More Tour Patch, designed by our graphic designer Pace. These things are gorgeous. So let's go ahead and give away 2 of these things. Ooh, look at there. Brand new Blackstone 28-inch air fryer combo. Look at there. Let's give it a try. My goodness, let's let this contest. It's Monday now, so let's let this contest run for another day. So until Tuesday evening sometime, I'll pick a winner. I'll comment to your comment down below to let you know that you won. And then if you're in the US or in Canada only, we can't do these overseas, US and Canada only, we'll let you know. You can send me your address and I'll get you one of these Blackstone aprons with a 2020 Griddle More Tour Patch. So I hope you win, and I'm going to do my best to start getting some regular content here on my channel, because I do miss you guys so much. My Facebook and Instagram are always continuing to grow, but we do need to ramp things up here on the YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody, this is Todd and these aprons, and we're saying praise the Lord and pass the food.